Welcome. If you wanna transfer data from your XOLO Era 4X to another Android device, let's open the application that we are going to use, and I just download for our XOLO the application name CLONEit. So let's open it on our XOLO. Then go to the Android device and open also this application. Click on yes, I agree. And right now, as I said, we're going to send data from XOLO to Android smartphone. So let's click sender here. Now we turn on location. Click allow, and click receiver on the Android smartphone. Click search again. Now just wait a little bit. Click on this Android share icon because this is our XOLO Era 4X. Now we can connect in two ways: scan a QR code and input the password. I'm going to tap and scan QR code. But as you can see, the smartphone has a problem with scanning QR code. So let's go back, click receiver again, and just wait to connect again. Now we will go into the second way, so input the password. And if you do, just click on the connect. Accept request on our XOLO. And right now we can choose whatever you want. So maybe we can go for the photos. So let's pick this screenshot and the photo. Click on the start. Okay. And it's finished. So let's check that this file is for real importing to our smartphone. So let's go to the file manager, internal storage, and they will be probably here. No, so let's check the CM, camera, and yeah, this is the photo and the screenshot. Then we take from our smartphone XOLO Era 4X. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.